Since 2020, ARM Technologies KSA has been empowering industries across Saudi Arabia with smart automation and precision services. We believe our success is rooted in clear values that guide every step we take. Transparency, we commit to honesty and clarity in every interaction. Professionalism, we execute each task with precision and quality. Team spirit, collaboration and trust among our team are key to every achievement. Continuous innovation, we always seek fresh solutions that meet market needs. Customer focus, client satisfaction drives every decision we make. Feedback analysis to continuously improve. At ARM Technologies KSA, we offer a full range of services to keep your machines reliable, accurate, and future-ready. Preventive maintenance, we inspect, detect, and prevent failures because downtime is costly. Overhauling, we restore machines mechanically and electrically like a factory reset. Retrofit, upgrade your outdated control systems with modern electronics and interfaces. Programming support, from CNC to industrial robotics, we provide tailored software and logic support. Bearings and special oil, high-quality, precision-fit parts and oils for your exact equipment needs. Lubrication systems, we supply, repair, and install complete lubrication systems for smooth operations. Safety covers, custom-designed safety enclosures for enhanced operator and machine protection. How do you ensure quality? We don't stop at delivery, we ensure long-term value through post-service warranties, follow-ups to check machine performance, technical documentation and usage guides, ongoing technical support with fast response, feedback analysis to continuously improve. We aim to be the #1 choice in the local and regional market. Expand our services into new sectors and markets. Enhance digital transformation in our service delivery. Build strategic partnerships for sustainable growth. Continuously develop our team through training and a creative environment. We proudly serve all regions of Saudi Arabia, with sights set on neighboring countries and global expansion. At ARM Technologies